subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this problem, we have to check whether the given function is a continuous or not at indicated points. And if it is a discontinuous, then discontinuity is removable or not by redefining the new function. The question is f of x is equal to 8 raised x minus 1 whole bracket square upon sine of x into log in bracket 1 plus x upon 4 bracket complete in close interval minus 1 comma 1 minus 0. Define f of x in close interval minus 1 comma 1 so that it becomes continuous at x equal to 0. So here we have to define the given function f of x at a point x equal to 0 so that the given function f of x becomes continuous. So first of all we start that limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now here f of x defined as a 8 raised x minus 1 the whole bracket square upon sine of x into log of 1 plus x by 4. Now to get limits rule, here we have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. So is equal to limit x tends to 0 8 raised x minus 1 whole bracket square upon x square upon limit x tends to 0 sin x into log of 1 plus x by 4 whole thing divided by x square. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0. Here we take square term common from numerator denominator. So we have 8 raised x minus 1 upon x whole bracket whole square upon limit x tends to 0 sine of x upon x into limit x tends to 0 log bracket 1 plus x upon 4 whole thing divided by x. Now here we totally use 3 rules of limits. First is limit x tends to 0, a raise x minus 1 upon x, that gives log a. Secondly, limit x tends to 0, sine of x upon x, that equal to 1. And third, limit x tends to 0, log bracket 1 plus x upon x, and that equal to 1. So by using these rules, we get log 8 whole bracket square in the numerator upon limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x, that gives 1. And the second limit in the denominator can be rewrite as limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by 4 upon x by 4 and into 1 by 4. So that equal to log of 8 the whole square in the numerator upon 1 into 1 into 1 by 4, and that can be written as 4 into log 8 the whole square. So in this way we get limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to 4 into log 8 bracket square. Now here, to get f of x is a continuous at x equal to 0, the given function f of x can be defined as follows. F of x is equal to 8 raised x minus 1 whole bracket square upon sin x into log of 1 plus x by 4 comma x not equal to close interval minus 1 comma plus 1 minus 0, and that equal to 4 into log 8 whole bracket square comma x equal to 0. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.